In this video, I will show you how to log into Bloxflip on your mobile device. So let's jump straight into it. So to log in, what you're going to want to do is open up a new mobile browser on your phone. And what you want to do is come across to the official website, which is just bloxflip.com. And then from here, if you look in the top right hand corner, you've got the blue login button. So what you want to do is press onto this and go ahead and enter your Roblox username. Also, if you have an affiliate code, you can also enter that underneath, and once that's done, just go ahead and click the blue sign in button underneath. So you can see now I'm logged into my account, as you can see up here in the top right hand corner. An alternative way to do this, the app is also available on the Play Store, so what you can do is download the app, open up Bloxflip, and again go ahead and enter your name into here and click continue to log into Bloxflip. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.